Stealth Machine Tools has evolved over the last 7 to 8 years as a product of old technology that's been in the field for many years, like plasma or even flame cutting. You know, these customers that we've had over time have needed an upgrade. My name is Ryan Westcott, and I am the owner, CEO of Stealth Machine Tools in Apache Junction, Arizona.
My name is Zach. I'm the shop manager, and I've been here for 4.5 years. When I started, I didn't know much about the machines. Now I do know. I mean, I can run each of them and not rely on others for help.
My name is Ben Biker. I work for Stealth as I operate a lot of the machines around here, specifically laser, press brake, a lot of other stuff. I do a little bit of welding too. I've been with Stealth just over 1.5 years now. Day one, I expected to be a welder. Thankfully, Ryan has pushed me into being a machine specialist. I can do installs, I can run all these machines in here comfortably. And looking back, you know, I'm really happy that he did that.
What sets us apart from some of our competitors is our ability and willfulness to have a conversation with the client. They come into this thinking that they're speaking to the professionals, the knowledgeable crew, and they want to jump into a business that they've never been into. We don't mind spending time with somebody and walking them through that process. You know, everybody in this building under our roof on the Stealth Machine Tools team comes with very, very broad knowledge in the industry, automotive, design, engineering, wiring, everything. So when we speak, we do come with real hands-on experience, tips and tricks on how to come around to different projects. And you know, customers will call and say, hey, how do we do this? You do it this way, or let me jump on TeamViewer, or I'll video the step-by-step on our machine and we'll send you the step-by-step so you can follow. So we do come with a lot of broad knowledge under one hat.
My name is Reagan. My position is Human Resources Office Manager. I've been with Stealth Machine Tools now for 3 years. We've definitely gone above and beyond for clients. If I have a customer that might need some of our products with our consumables that go with the laser machines, I will go forth with whatever effort I need to. If I need to manually process an order because they can't get online to do so, I will take care of that for them.
My name is Caleb Worthen. I'm the Director of Sales here at Stealth Machine Tools, and I've been here for about 1 year. When I first started, you know, it was kind of a deep dive into really understanding the basics and fundamentals of a laser. And I would say that, you know, in the year that I have been here, I can confidently sell the equipment now with 100% assurance that I know the fundamentals of that machine.
I've excelled in a lot of ways here. I've become a lot more confident with running machines, being a machine operator. I've gotten to be a little bit of a better welder too. Assembly has become very easy for me, keeping track of all the different parts and pieces for these machines and making sure everything's running copacetic.
When I leave Stealth, I've accomplished what I've needed to for the day, and I go home and I get to see my wife and I get to live my life. And I think one thing that really builds up to the reason and how I can do that is because of how efficient and effective our team is.
When we do create that relationship and have that communication, you are our customer forever. We make sure that you do feel comfortable with us, that if you have any questions, we give you various ways to be able to reach us and stay in contact. We don't have numbers for a person. We are our own individuals where they know us by name, and we're not just sitting in a cubicle. They're able to contact us anytime.
So probably our number one seller with Stealth Machine Tools is the machine right behind me, the SS3015CP. You know, the technology that is packed into that machine is pretty impressive for the price point that it is. I would put that machine up against any of the big fives in the industry. And I do believe that you would be very, very impressed. Cost per machine on a side-by-side comparison. In a race, one would obviously finish before the other, but $1 million, 200,000. And nothing against them, right? Nothing against the big guys. It's just that that's just where technology has progressed over years. So as far as logo and the name and all those things, like obviously Stealth Machine Tools is a catchy name. I wanted a company that could, so to speak, fly under the radar, meaning me. When your name's on the building or you're the guy behind the company or the visionary, everybody wants to talk to you and you don't have that much to give out. Then the logo is actually, some call it, you know, looks like a Cadillac V, but it's actually the silhouette of a stealth bomber. Instead of it pointing straight up, it's upside down pointing down, and then also being a Cadillac lover, We just took the same silhouette and kind of married the two together, and here we are. And then our machine names, the Nighthawk, the Spirit, we have another new machine coming out called the Raider. These are all named after the B-2 bombers. And so we're keeping that theme pretty consistent. You know, flying under the radar, having machines that are fast, consistent, they produce revenue. And so we wanted to give everything that we have an identity. If anybody's in the area, they're in Arizona visiting and they want to come in to Stealth Machine Tools, touch and feel, look at our equipment, meet the crew. My name is Ryan Westcott, and we welcome you anytime through our normal business hours of Monday through Friday. If you want to drop us a line and set up an appointment, you can reach us at 877-455-2737.